Hey everyone, welcome to this quick Blender tutorial. Today we're making grass, not just a texture, but full 3D grass that looks alive. Let's dive in. First, delete the default cube. We won't need it. Now add a circle. This will be our ground where the grass grows. Go to the top menu, click Add, then Mesh, then Circle. Change fill type to N-gon. Scale it up using S, just so we have more space to work with. Now let's give the ground some color. With the circle selected, click New Material. Click on Base Color dot, select Image Texture. Go to Google and download any realistic grass texture you can find. Now select Open and select the image you have downloaded. Now go to Material Preview. Done, that's our base. Go to the Particles tab, click plus to add a new system. Change the type from emitter to hair. Now we've got strands, but let's tweak them. Change hair length to 0.5. Increase the number to around 50,000 or more, depending on your computer. Right now, the grass is to perfect. Let's add variation. Check Advanced, then scroll down to Physics, Forces, and find Brownian. Increase it slightly. This adds some random curl and movement. I will change it to 0.2. And that's it. A fully realistic grass in Blender in just a few steps. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Blender tips in under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.